I have the iPad, space gray, and then I have the pencil and my case, and the case, the screen protector, and the Apple Pencil case is coming tomorrow, so I will unbox those tomorrow. But I'm gonna do them separately because I really want to see this. So let's just get on to it.
intentions. God, I could really use some peace and some understanding. I know I got some extra time, help me take advantage. There's a whole lot going on, but it's fine planning. I may not understand it all, but I'm really planning. Waiting in my car, the backseat for the vaccine, like a pipe dream, think I might scream. I've been hearing more about COVID. They said we might get locked down till it's well past May. I can sit inside my house making beats all day. I think I made for this. I think I made for this. Operating in my element like I was trained for this. Getting dirt for the gold like I'm a slave in this. Moving like a peasant in the clouds.
Okay, so we've set up the iPad completely, I think, so far. First of all, okay, so here's the pencil with the case on. I actually have the box. It literally just looks like a pencil, but a blue pencil. It's from Lego. I think I got it from Amazon. Yeah, it's got the hole for the double tap. This part's detachable, just like the eraser part. And then there's the, why can't I talk? There's the magnetic side, so it still sticks onto the iPad. So then here we go. The case is this blue case. It is from TiVo, something like that. Starts with a T. I will put all this stuff in the link in the description below because I can't remember. But it's sky blue. I got a blue one because I was gonna get the blue iPad, but even if I didn't get a blue iPad, which I didn't, still everything has to be blue. So my favorite color, as we can see by the lights, but basically it's got a clear back. I'm gonna make some stickers to put on here on Procreate. I already made one. It's our group chat name. I made one already, so there's that. And then it's magnetic. It's the sleep wake thing. Yeah. Folds over. Oh, that's my sister. But pretty much it's got the Apple case, Apple pencil holder right here. Now this does not fit in here, but if I want to charge it, I'm just gonna, take it out of the case and then charge it, or take the iPad out of the case. One of the things is coming out of the case to get the pencil charged, but pretty simple. I also have a paper feel screen protector. Feels like paper, honestly. I'm just testing this out. It actually does feel like paper. I really like writing on it. It's just so smooth. But yeah. Now, I will give you a tour of my iPad. The screen. Just move over. I'll put it over here, but pretty much, so you turn it on, and then there's the background that I made. I made it on Procreate. It's like a little paper. Oh my gosh, it just got turned off. I'm struggling. It's a little paper. It's like, looks like a paper cut effect, but pretty much I have it on the lock screen too. So in terms of widgets, I didn't really do anything fancy. I like these Pantone color widget thingies. So I'm literally so confused right now, but I literally just went and picked out. They didn't really have much of the apps that I have downloaded on here. Also, I use Themify. I don't do the whole shortcut. That's too much work for me. I don't have the patience to do that. So yeah, there's that. I just have like basic apps on the front, oh my gosh, screen. The things don't work. I don't know why they're not working. They work on my phone, but they're not working here. Honestly, it doesn't matter because it's not like I use them. I always go to this page, the app library, to get my apps. Now over here I just have the OneNote. So oh my gosh, whoops. This was me day in my life video. I was just planning out the day, what I wanted to say in the video, but that's pretty much. I have Spotify up here, calendar. This is from Themify. I have files up here because I have like some footage on here, and then my Procreate brushes I put on here, and I don't know, it looked kind of cool. It's like a bookshelf. I got all these apps, pretty much all the apps I have on here. Pretty basic. I only have these games on my iPad, and then I have every streaming service that I own on here too, because it's easier to watch on my iPad than my phone. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then paid for good notes 2 days before I got this. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that is on my iPad. And hello, recording. That's pretty much everything that's on my iPad. And yeah, I'm actually gonna turn off the screen recording. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I might do a video another day on what, I don't know what. I might do a video another day on like me taking notes or something on my iPad, or like a productive like study with me type of thing, work with me when school starts in 2.5 months. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will link everything in the description below: the case, the pencil, the screen protector. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.